Thank you for joining me on the video tour of number 8 Swindale Avenue here in Hilbert. You can see it's quite an overcast day today, but still the property is shining. Sorry, that'll be the last joke that you get from me of that sort of level. We're going to head on through the front here. You can see I really do like how they've themed the front. The colors are beautiful, very welcoming, and look great from the road. We're going to step on through our security doors here, greeted immediately with a nice long hallway. Got all your bedrooms are at the front of the house here. This is actually bedroom number 2, but you can see very nice size. You've got your mirrored double wardrobes. Yeah, just a really highly finished property. Stepping through here, we'll look at our main bathroom. I always like to see a full-size bath there for those days that you just really do need to take some time to unwind. And into bedroom number 3, again, nice size and fitted with the double wardrobes, reverse cycle ducted air conditioning through the home here as well. Heading back into the hallway a little bit further up. Now you see this hallway does head on through to the main living hub. Before we go and have a look through there, we're just going to stop and have a quick look on the right hand side. You can see you've got your access there from the garage, laundry through there, and then we're into the main suite. I do like that the garage connects so seamlessly to the main suite, and as you can see, it is a very nicely appointed master bedroom here. Plenty of natural light, plenty of space. The layout of having the ensuite here on the left does allow for a nice view over your alfresco there, and of course fitted with that triple mirrored wardrobe does again sort of create just an even larger sense of space there. Laundry nice and big, plenty of storage as well. And then we're going to head on through to our main living area. Kitchen finished with those stone bench tops. You've got that custom cabinetry there. This house was only built in 2020, so still has that new feel. And as you can see, the kitchen is beautifully positioned over the main living areas. Also like that the rear door here is sort of set in a way that if you've got it open, you're protected from the elements, so it gives you that real nice combination of indoor, outdoor entertaining if need be. Huge alfresco undercover area here as well. Current family are entertainers at heart, so they've really utilised the space how it was designed. And as you step on out here, nice area here for the kids, nice high fences for any activities, keeping the balls in the backyard, always a good thing. But I think that this property is going to be very, very popular, so feel free to make an inquiry. Come on through to the home open. We'll see you there.